Good morning student. This is class 11th math and today's thought is mathematics is the queen of science because in science there is lot of derivation and lot of numerical problem which is based on the mathematics. So you can say that mathematics is the queen of science. Today's date is 2nd of July 2021 and this is exercise 5.3 from NCERT and it is a new segment quadratic equation. You are familiar about the quadratic equation. What do you mean by the quadratic equation? You know that any equation can be represented in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then it is known as the quadratic equation. Now one thing is more, you also know that the quadratic equation, if the equation is represented in this form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, this is the representation of a quadratic equation. In 10th class you well known about that one, and in class 10th you also know that about the discriminant, and you know that which discriminant gives you solution of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You already know that if d is greater than or equal to 0, then the solution of this quadratic equation is possible. Means the solution comes in the real value. But when we talking about the d is less than 0, then in class 10th you know that when d is less than 0, then there is no solution because it comes in the negative sign. Now this segment we will study about. When the d is less than 0 or the discriminant, the value of d square minus 4ac is less than 0, means its value is negative. Then how to solve the quadratic equation? You already know that if in previous exercise I told you how to solve a negative root. You know that if you have a negative root like minus 2, root minus 2, then you know that you can represent 2 into minus 1. This is 2 into I square, it is root 2i. Then using this property we can solve d is less than 0. And firstly we will find the discriminant and see whether it is less than 0. Then using this property and use this formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a if the factorization is not occurred here. So student, we are taking some example and solve this type of a question. Here the quadratic equations involve only d is less than 0, because you already know about the quadratic equation in earlier classes like class 10, but only you have a solution of d is greater than 0 or d is equal to 0. When d is greater than 0, then there is a two discriminant, then there is a two distinct root of the equation, and when d is equal to 0, then there is a two real but equal roots of the equation. So you know that any quadratic equation gives how many values? You are already familiar, it gives you two values. Now we will study about some problem based on this one. Suppose you have given a question like x square plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the question and you need to solve it. You need to solve it. So then you know that firstly we need to transfer 2 in RHS. Then x square is equal to minus 2. Here the value of x is equal to plus minus 2. In earlier classes, you don't have any idea how to solve this type of a problem when any digit contains negative root. But starting of a complex number, this is the complex number and the quadratic equation, it is a part of a complex number. So firstly, you have an idea how to solve this one. Means firstly, you have to write down plus minus 2 into minus 1. Now you know that I is equal to minus root 1 and I square is equal to minus 1. So you have to replace I square at the place of minus 1. You will get x is equal to plus minus 2 into I square Rx is equal to plus minus 2 root 2y. This is the solution of x square plus 2 is equal to 0 and you are able to solve a negative root, a negative quadratic equation. So the value of x is plus root 2y and minus root 2y. Plus root 2i and minus root 2i. Another type of a question is asked in the exercise. This is whenever you have the solution, you have a question like that one. So firstly comparing this one, firstly we need to find out which type of discriminant are given here. So firstly comparing this one with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1 also. So the value of b square minus 4ac. b square means 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. This is 1 minus 4, it is minus 3 and which is less than 0. Which is less than 0. Now the question arises to how to solve this type of a problem here. You have to use the formula. If you don't have any idea, use the formula. It is the same condition and you usually get, means you will get using the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now x is equal to minus b, this is the value of b is equal to 1 here, so it is minus 1 plus minus means this is plus minus and you know that you can write down the value of b square minus 4ac, it is minus 3, so this one can be written as minus 3 upon 2 into a, 2a means 2 into 1. Now this one is equal to x is equal to minus 1 plus minus. You know that how to solve negative root of a number. So firstly you need to change this one in the form of 3 into I square upon 2. Our x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3i upon 2. This is the value of x. The value of x can be written minus 1 plus root 3i upon 2 and minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2. This is the two solution of a quadratic equation, or you can say that it is the two roots of the given quadratic equation. That how can you solve this type of a problem when you have given d is less than 0. Thank you, students.